and welcome back to GadgetGran, where I review technology and gadgets for you. Today I'm going to review the Apple TV. The version I have, it's the HD version, so it's 1080p and it's a 32 gig version. I didn't really need a 4K version because I actually don't have a 4K TV. So I thought I'd save an extra couple of dollars and not get that version. But let me tell you, the HD version does just as good. So what you get in the box is you will get a charging cable. This will actually charge the remote. So you plug it in exactly like an Apple phone. You just charge it. You then just get a power source. You'll plug that into the back of the Apple TV. And of course, you get this nifty little remote. To set up your Apple TV, all you need to do is plug in the power source, the power cord, in the back of the Apple TV box. You will, however, have to buy a HDMI cable. These are separate, does not come with the Apple TV. You can get these from any retailer, JB Hi-Fi, I think even Kmart here in Australia, eBay even. They're not very expensive, but you do need one of these. You will plug one end into the back of your Apple TV and the other end into the back of your TV. And pretty much that's all you got to do. Okay, once you've got the Apple TV hooked up in the cables and the power is on, you'll turn on your TV and all you need to do is change your input or source on your TV. Now it will come up with HDMIs. So all you'll need to do is select your HDMI, whether it be HDMI 1 or 2, until you actually see the Apple screen. Now this is the screensavers on the Apple TV, which are just amazing. All you'll do is click once, and this is what you'll see. And this is how easy it is. So once you've followed the prompts to set up your Apple TV and you've connected it to the Wi-Fi, let me show you how to navigate through the menu. So on your remote, you'll get this little trackpad here. It's exactly like an iPhone. You will swipe down and up to whatever direction you want to go. Can be a little bit finicky at times, but you just scroll back and forth like that. The menu button, I will go into something here. I'll go into, say, 7 Play. I'll show you. The menu button will be your back button. So if you want to go back, hit back, it will take you back to the main menu. And obviously to open up an app like I've just done, so Netflix, you click once and your app will open. To download apps, you will need an iTunes account. Again, hit the back button, go back. You will need an iTunes account to set up to be able to go into the App Store to download whatever apps you like. You can search. Again, I will swipe across here to the search button and you will type in which app you want, whether it be 7 Plus, 9 Now, Netflix, whatever app you're after. Now to charge the remote, at the very bottom, that cable, that white cable that came in the box, you just plug it in there. It's exactly like an iPhone charging. So it's really easy. The remote lasts for many, many hours. It's very easy. On the remote, you'll also notice there's a microphone button. If you push this, it actually activates Siri. So if you want to find a movie with a certain actor in it or a movie title, you would just put the remote up to your mouth, not too close, and just talk into it and then release it. And it will actually bring up the options within that app. I'm at the moment in Disney, but you can do that in any of the apps. It's really quite cool, and it detects it really well, so I haven't had too many problems with that at all. To turn off your Apple TV, my TV at the moment is not connected via the aerial, so I don't have normal TV on it. But if I push the menu button, just turn off your TV and the Apple TV can go to sleep. It just turns itself off automatically. You'll also see on the remote, you've got volume buttons up and down here, which will turn the volume up on your TV as well. Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. I've got a couple of Apple TVs on different TVs, but sometimes this function doesn't work. I don't know why. It might be the TV, how it's been set up. but I will have to use my normal remote to turn up the volume, but majority of the time I can do that by this remote. So pretty much that's all there is to an Apple TV. It's so simple to set up. You can literally set it up in 10 minutes and you're off and going. What I do like is it can turn a dumb TV into a smart TV. The TV I'm previewing at the moment has no smart functions on it, so I've made it into a smart TV by just hooking up an Apple TV. The other thing I do like is it is totally portable. All you got to do is just disconnect your cables, pack your box up, make sure you just remember your remote and take it away with you. I took it away to a B&B just recently. They had Wi-Fi. I connected the Apple TV up into the Wi-Fi in the settings app and off I went. So that night I could still stream my videos, no problems at all. It's so portable, it's so small. Just remember to take your cables, that's the only thing. So yeah, there you go. A really good little box, very portable. I'm sure you'll get hours and hours of entertainment out of it. It is only a couple of $100. You can get it from any major stores here in Australia. So I do hope you've enjoyed this short and sharp preview of the Apple TV. Please subscribe as it does help my small channel. And as always, have a great day everyone and stay safe.